Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn off a Nespresso Citiz coffee machine. These will be easy instructions for absolute beginners, so let's get right into the video. Now before I show you how to power it off and turn it off, I will say this machine has an auto off feature, and most people don't even know that you can actually turn it off manually. So most people will just use the coffee machine and just let it sit, and after a certain number of minutes it will turn off by itself. It will automatically power off, and that's how most people use the machine. But let's say you don't want it to stay on, you want to power it off, but you don't want to unplug it. So you're done using the machine, you want to turn it off so it can cool down, but you don't want to unplug it. You can power it off manually. Really easy to do. So as you can see, the machine is on. Both of these lights are illuminated, perfectly solid lights, so the machine is on. And to power it off, you need to press both of those buttons, the Lungo button and the Espresso button at the same time, quickly. You're not holding them down or anything like that, you're just pressing them quickly. So I'm gonna get my fingers in position, and just like that, it's powered off. It's literally that simple. Once again, I'm gonna turn it on. I'll just press, oops, I'm looking through the camera screen. It's hard for me to gauge where my finger is because it's all sort of the same color, and I'm wearing my glasses, which my glasses are all scratched up. I need a new pair of glasses. But essentially, without going on a tangent, without going off on a tangent over there, going on a side topic, I'm gonna turn it back on, and the lights are flashing. Now, when the lights are flashing, the machine is turning on, okay? It's warming up. It's not ready to be used yet. If you try and turn it off when it's warming up like that, it's not gonna work. If I was to try and press both of those buttons together, as far as I know, as far as I've tried and experimented with, it won't turn off. So what you wanna do if you wanna make sure you turn off the machine is wait until the lights are solid, like that. So it's warmed up, ready to be used, and then just press them together like that, and you've powered off your Nespresso Citiz coffee machine. This is the Nespresso Citiz coffee machine with the milk frother, just so it's clear. I think they all come with the milk frother, I could be wrong. But yeah, that's how to power it off, the actual coffee machine part, the espresso machine part itself. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.